Welcome to Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals. In this video, we'll explore the core concepts of AI and its impact on the world. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries. Understanding its fundamentals is crucial for navigating the future of technology and business. Artificial intelligence is a broad field of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence. AI can be categorized into three types: narrow AI, which is designed for a single task; general AI, which can perform any intellectual task a human can; and super AI, which surpasses human intelligence. Let's explore some of the key technologies that power the world of artificial intelligence. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI that allows systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This involves training models on large datasets. Deep learning is an advanced form of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers to analyze complex data, such as images, sound, and text. Natural language processing, or NLP, gives computers the ability to understand, interpret, and generate human language, making chatbots and virtual assistants possible. AI is quickly becoming indispensable in the business world, offering vast potential for innovation and efficiency. AI is used across industries, from complex engineering and medical diagnostics to customer service and marketing. It delivers benefits like increased efficiency and better decision-making. As AI becomes more prevalent, we must consider ethical implications, including data privacy, algorithmic bias, and transparency in AI decision-making. Thank you for joining this overview of artificial intelligence fundamentals. It's time to take your next steps and explore the power of AI.
Like, subscribe, and hit bell icon to see more learning videos.